Welcome to everyone's favorite game show, the game show specifically designed for those with hair loss and are looking to get their sexy back. Guys, this video is sponsored by LeVivid Hair, and it's a very special video. This is the video where we're actually picking the winners of the free hair system contest that we launched 2 weeks ago. Now, back in this video, just to remind you, we said that we would be picking 3 different winners for free hair systems. LeVivid and I decided that we were going to give away 3 different hair systems, one of each. We have the Mirage, the Koeus, and the Helios models. In that video, I told you how you could get a free hair system, how to pick the right hair system for you, all that fun stuff. And I asked everybody to tell me a little bit about why you want the hair system. Now, there was so many comments that people responded with. Gosh, I don't even know how many comments there is. I can just keep on scrolling and scrolling. So many people feel like they want to try hair systems, or they're already wearing hair systems and they want another one. So this is pretty dope. I was really excited to see this response by the community, people who are excited about the potential to actually get a free hair system. So in this video, we're going to be doing an actual reveal of who is going to get the free hair system. So the way that this is actually going to work is I'm going to use something called a random pick generator. Now, here are the conditions. So this is the YouTube video URL for the specific giveaway video that I asked you to comment in. I asked you to comment hashtag giveaway with I want the blank unit, right? So either the Koeus, Mirage, or Helios unit. And I am going to filter out the messages, almost all of them are comments asking for a free unit with this hashtag, but all of the comments are going to be picked out with this giveaway tag right here. So we have inputted giveaway as our filtering text. We've filtered out duplicate users. So if any of you tried to get cheeky and comment multiple times to improve your odds, tough cookies. Not gonna work. However, what we're gonna have to do is make a couple of different picks here to finally get one person for each, the Helios, the Mirage, and the Koeus units. So after all is said and done, can I get a drum roll, please? First winner of a free hair system is Albar05, who is going to be walking away with a Mirage unit. Now, he says, I've never tried anything but lace for 7 years, so maybe this is something I should try, but I've been really paranoid about changing what I know. So for those of you who are not familiar, the Mirage is one of LeVivid's thin skin units, as we can see right here. Now, the specifications on this are, of course, full super thin skin. It's going to be 6-inch long hair at a 95% density with a 28mm rod size with the base thickness. So this is the poly 0.04.05mm poly. So this is super cool. It's got V-looped hair in the front with what they call micro knots used for the rest of the base. So exciting stuff for our first winner of a free hair system, which is Albar05. So we're going to contact you for next steps. LeVivid and I will be in contact with you, and we'll make sure that you get your free hair system. Congratulations again to Albar05. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the winner of the Mirage has now been decided. We have a Helios and a Koeus winner waiting for us. So let's get another drum roll. And the winner is Richard. He says, I need a Koeus. I have genetic hair loss, so transplants and medications won't work for me. So I decided to use hair systems. So, well, Richard, that is exciting stuff. Congratulations on winning a hair system. LeVivid and I will be in contact with you in the coming days as soon as this video goes out. And let's take a look at what Richard is winning. He is getting a Koweis model, which is a full thin skin with 115% density and a 30mm rod size with a base thickness of 0.08. So this is probably going to be great and be long lasting for you. It's a little bit thicker than the Mirage unit, which we just went over. I'm really excited for you, Richard. I hope you enjoy your Koweis unit. Now let's move on to the third winner, shall we? Can I get a drum roll, please? Oh, looks like I won myself. All right. Boom, Pedro A says, I want the Helios. Congrats on winning, man. Never tried Swiss lace before, but I'm curious about it. Pretty stoked for you, Pedro. You're going to be getting a Helios unit, which is actually a full Swiss lace unit from Levivid with an 80 to 90% density and a slight wave of 30mm with bleached knots in the front. So this is going to be pretty dang awesome, man, especially if you've never tried Swiss lace before. Absolutely stoked for you guys. Thank you so much for commenting. It looks like there was about 80 people that entered into this contest. So if you didn't win, don't feel bad. I really hope that we're going to do more contests like this in the future. If you would like to see more contests, if you'd like to see giveaways for free hair systems, free supplies like tapes, adhesives, scalp preparations, all that kind of stuff, let me know. I would be more than happy to try to arrange some of this stuff for you guys. This is one of the advantages of having relationships with companies like Levivid and Lord Hair, is we can give away free systems and give back to you guys, as well as produce some educational content. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to see more giveaways, let me know, and let Levivid know down in the comments below. Guys, we will see you later. We'll be in contact with the winners, and thank you for watching.